This is our 11th annual Career Exploration Fair.
I've seen so many businesses.
Our kids are able to have an eye-opening experience knowing that there are businesses and agencies out there willing and ready to hire them once they graduate from high school.
I've learned a lot about people's jobs and what it can do for us.
You see sparks all across this event.
A lot of these kids may not even know these careers exist.
And stuff that I didn't know, I know now. And stuff that I thought wasn't interesting, is interesting now.
There's a lot of excitement around the career fair visit for our students. Many of them begin to see people who look like them, maybe have the same background, the same passion.
I have student ambassadors that still talk about how much fun they had at the Metro Nashville Career Fair.
Our kids need to learn how to speak with one another, shake hands, eye contact. All those things are essential in terms of finding a job and landing a career.
I think talking to different booths is going to help me know how to professionally hold myself to a higher standard.
So you can see behind us we have a lot of activity. Throughout this day, 5,600 students are going to be on that floor.
I've seen a lot so far. Airlines, colleges.
So initially when we started, we may have had about 60 or 70 exhibitors.
I think what's so amazing to see is the number of business partners who come back year after year.
It has grown tremendously.
Today we have over 100 business and community organizations here, and we work together to help our students in this city. It's a beautiful thing.
For new businesses coming into our community, the Career Fair is a great way to introduce yourself by helping to educate students about the thousands of career options that are available for them in our city. It's also an opportunity to engage your employees in an activity that is rewarding and fun.
So it's been great so far. I've been asking everybody questions, a lot of questions. Can't wait to check out all the careers here.
This truly is the springboard to our experiential learning for the academies of Nashville.
You may not know that every year thousands of people come to Nashville to learn about the academies of Nashville.
I've actually been tied in with the academies for about 10 years now. You know, when I first started, I didn't really know what the academies model was all about, but now that I've seen it and the impact it actually makes on these students, I'm just the biggest believer.
We would like to present this year's Best of Show Award to...
On behalf of the entire Engineering, Manufacturing, and Industrial Technology Partnership Council, we thank you. Thanks to our exhibitors for being here and always pouring into our kids.
We have freshmen that are now sophomores and juniors. These partners that we have today, they have truly made an impact on them because they look forward to seeing them as their future workforce.
There is no greater opportunity in all of Nashville to explore the world around us than to be at this career fair.